Welcome back to ViperrTrades, and I'm here with another Bitcoin update. But before I do get into this video, if you can hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest coin updates, buying opportunities, and educational content. So, if you guys remember my last video, I think I spoke about a Bitcoin scalp long within this region, and yeah, I was saying if we can do something like that, we'll be targeting these highs which we cleared around 39.5k. That was the first take profit, and the MPLC here at around 4,500, which was the second take profit, but we missed it just by $100 or so. So if you did get into this one, it would have been a nice move anyway. It would have been a very nice move regardless. Of course, we did miss this target by $100 or so, but it is still a valid target. It is still a valid target. So that's what we're going to discuss here today. Let's get into this video. So if we just take a look at the moment, we took out these this liquidity here, so around 37k. So it came down to 37k, took that out. It got a nice reaction from there. We also got liquidity here as well, which has been generated after the sweep. So we'll be looking here as well. This is something to keep an eye on. However, if you go down to the hourly is what I'm most interested in right now. So right now for the hourly, we got this point of interest right here, the 1 hour demand. So you can see here, broke structure there. We've also swept this, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this could make for a nice play if we do tap in. So right now we've got some see, so hopefully now what we want to do is just come back down, sweep it, something like that. So and this will be confluent with the naked point of control, so that will take that out as well if we also come back down. So once we take this one out, then there is no objective there, we take it out, and we can hopefully look for high targets, targeting this, which was remain untapped. As you can see, we missed it by $100, so this still remains a valid target. So hopefully we can target 40,500, and we got some equal highs here at around 40,800 as well, which is still yet to be taken out. So yeah, hopefully if we do come into this, we can see a little relief. And here we've got the 8 hour the 4 hour fair value gap, and we've got the 8 hour supply zone. So if we do come into here around 41.3k all the way to around 43k, this is where you'll be looking for your shorts. So yeah, we could just do something like that, and that's where you'll be looking to short. So for the downside for Bitcoin, I know people are calling for like 28k and stuff. I'll get into this in another video. But right now I'm just eyeing the 33k level right here. That's the level I'm eyeing right here. So yeah, nothing less to be for now. Nothing less. Probably take this one out, get a little relief, and take this one out as well. But right now I'm not really looking at that 28k level that everyone is looking at around here. I'm not really interested in here right now. I'm more interested in this. We'll see how we react around here, because if we do get a nice reaction around here, I do feel like this can provide a momentary bottom, but we'll just see how things go. But of course, we've seen in the past before how people just want lower, and we don't get there. Leave everyone sidelined, and we take off again. But I will go into depth with that in another video. So if you do want to see that and see my thought processes and see where it's ideal to start buying spot, then give this video a like, and I will try to cover that during the week, and why I believe 33k could be the momentary bottom for Bitcoin, and where I see us going next if 33k is the bottom, and whether we will go up straight away, whether we might consolidate for a bit, or we can even continue down. we'll see. But yeah, I personally think 33k should provide good support if anything. So yeah, that's basically my Bitcoin plan. Nothing too extravagant, nothing too complicated. Just straight to the point, keeping it simple always for you guys. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for in the next coming days. Of course, we've got the FOMC on Wednesday, so we'll see how things play out there. But yeah, hopefully we get a little bit of volatility to take us here, take us to that 40k, 41k level. Hopefully, we'll look for shorts around here, as stated before. But yeah, nothing too much happening right now. I feel like we're just in a choppy phase right now. So don't get chopped up. Preserve the capital. Trade with small risk always. Don't over leverage yourself. I do feel like when you have a directional bias, then maybe that'll be the time to increase the position size. But right now, these moves are happening very quickly. It's not the time for swinging per se. It's not really the time for swinging. The swinging market's been terrible recently, very terrible. But of course, outs I'm looking at right now, 8 for a little recovery. ENS as well. I do feel like this one can do well as well. So yeah, we'll see what happens.